Happy Heart, helping your child cultivate happiness and gratitude is one of the greatest gifts that you can give. Not only does it set him or her up for a more content life, it can be physically very good for the heart itself. So, in this guided relaxation, we will replace worries and sadness with a gentle light centered in our hearts. This peaceful guided relaxation has been written by me and exclusively for all our dear students of DRS International School. My meditation videos are going to help children as well as teens relieve their stress, anxiety, improve their self esteem, feel good in their mind, body, and spirit, and also develop a positive mental attitude both at home as well as school. So, children, you may wish to play this guided meditation video for yourself either during the daytime or maybe during the night time, all right, when you are getting ready and preparing for bed. Now, once you are ready and your body is relaxed, simply play this video and listen to my calm, gentle voice, pausing to let the words and the feelings sink in whenever you feel necessary. Now, before we start, just everybody take a nice deep breath and close your eyes because we're about to go on this magical journey together. This magical journey to the inside of our bodies and all the way to our hearts. Let's take a deep inhale together. Inhale. Slowly energizing your entire body and then exhale together, relaxing your entire body. Let's take a deep inhale once again. Inhale, energizing your body and slowly exhale, relaxing each and every part of the body. And also believing that with every exhale, my students, you are releasing every negativity and tension and stress out of your body. Lovely. Very nice. Students, did you know you are so amazing? You can go anywhere you want simply by using your imagination. That's how extraordinarily talented all of you are. And today, let's take a journey into our own hearts, a very special, beautiful place. There are times when we might feel sad or down, and that's okay. And anytime we feel sad, we can always check in with our heart. We can choose to surround ourselves with a beautiful glowing light to bring ourselves comfort during those worrisome times. First, you might see this as sunlight, warm and calming and soothing to your body and your mind. It might be yellow in color, probably, yellow and bright, maybe yellow and misty, who knows? So breathe it in deeply and allow it to relax and comfort you. Notice how it gives you a sense of peace. Feel that warm, glowing light now surrounding your entire body. Watch now as this light changes to a soft blue, just like the color of the sky on a clear, dreamy day. The soft blue calms you and brings you even more peace now. You might begin to feel as if you are drifting on a soft white cloud. Gently and ever so softly, the light now changes into a pinkish color. Just watch what it does. Breathe in deeply now as you allow the light pink color to gently flow into your body and flow directly to your heart. Feel this gentle light nudge any hurts away. It helps you let go of sadness and worry as you slowly exhale. Now I want you to pay attention to the fact that as you exhale any hurt feelings or any pain or any sadness, your heart begins to feel a lighter, a little freer. The soft pink gentle light fills up the space in your heart and shines out any sadness or pain. I want you to see the soft, glowing pink light filling up all that space in your heart, gently, easily, comfortingly, and lovingly. Breathe this peacefulness deeply into every part of you and notice the calm and stillness take all over you. Life just feels better. Your heart feels better. This feeling will stay with you throughout the day. Remember that you can always call on this golden light or this light golden pinkish light to help you at any time of the day whenever you want to call upon it. Imagine your heart now. Imagine your heart now, which is beating, beating with happiness, beating with joy, jumping with joy and excitement, jumping with joy and excitement at how many wonderful people and beautiful things surround you. There is so much happiness around you. Children, life is so good and you feel peaceful. So take a moment just to feel gratitude for all the love and all the caring that surrounds you in your life. Isn't it amazing? It is so amazing. Feeling calm and peaceful now, turn your attention back to the room and your day, knowing that peace is now yours. Now take in another deep breath and exhale it out fully. Wonderful. And now let's take one more deep inhale. And my dear students, whenever you are ready, just give yourself a big stretch and open your eyes if you feel like it. Or relax. If you want to open your eyes, you may. Or just carry on your relaxation the rest of your way into a peaceful sleep. Go on relaxing if it is night time for you right now. In your soft, comfortable bed, with a nice soft blanket all around you, comforting you, giving you a nice warm bear hug. If you wish to carry on relaxing just like that, why not? Just carry on. And maybe, who knows, you might just gradually drift into sleep. I love you all.